What does Hollow Essence do in Type Soul? Let's break it down. Hollow Essence is one of the most important progression items in the game. You'll usually obtain it after completing certain events, boss fights, or through traits. Its main purpose? Evolution and transformation. If you're a Hollow, you use Hollow Essence to evolve into stronger forms, like Ajusha, Vastokar, or eventually Akar. Each stage requires different conditions, but Hollow Essence is the key item that allows you to move forward. It's also tied to unlocking special abilities, cosmetics, or reroll mechanics, depending on the updates. Many players farm Hollow Essence to push their build further and gain access to unique powers that can't get otherwise. So, to put it simply, progression lets you evolve your Hollow form. Customizations unlock new powers and ability. Rarity, one of the most valuable resources for Hollow mains. If you're serious about Hollow gameplay and type so, Hollow Essence is the item you want to grind for. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.